a lot of men, I mean, I'm not saying there's a huge amount of number of women that are like stunning, gorgeous, whatever, but a lot of men do pass up like beautiful women because they're always looking for what the next option is. So maybe it's kind of like a game for them. I don't know, but it's like if you're gonna pass up a beautiful woman that has all the qualities, but you're still trying to look for something better, and when you look for something better, you're still trying again to look for something better, then you're hindering yourself from
Like, let me
actually
ask you
trying to
this: how many guys are really running into like beautiful women that are willing to cooperate though?
Well, the cooperation part, yeah, I do agree that women do need to make changes with that. You know, women are supposed to respect their men
Mm.
regardless, but um I don't think men today are actually giving women that opportunity to even see if they possess those abilities. I feel like a lot of men are just, it's like their attention span is like literally 5 minutes. Like they talk to one pretty girl, they move on to the next. It's like
Bro, no,
most
bruv. It's
most
not.
women
It's,
not even
no,
getting the
no, 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 no,
opportunity.
no, no, no. You got it wrong. You see, this is one of the biggest issues that like men have with women these days. Yeah, is that you don't understand. You're talking about guys who are probably Tyrones and what they're doing, and then you're applying what the smaller percentage of men are doing, and you're applying it to all the whole umbrella. Because the majority of men are not just jumping from one hot chick to another hot chick to another hot chick, and these hot chicks are just, they just want to be good wifeys for these men, and these men are just throwing them to the side and jump into another bad beat. I'm sorry, that's not really typical at all.
Well, I mean, I'm not talking in terms of dating. I'm talking in terms of like talking to women. Like I know you have to expand your options. Like you're not gonna talk to a girl and put all your eggs in one basket. But what I'm saying is like the attention span for men these days is like they're talking to like 50 women. So it's almost like for me, if you're not showing interest because you have to talk to 49 other women, I don't see as something that I can like continue to pursue with you because you're basically dividing your time trying to select out of that 50.
Well, it depends. Is the guy trying to sell you a dream? If the guy's
Uh
selling you a dream, and then if the guy's saying to you, "Oh, you're the only one, and I want to be with you forever," and blah blah blah, and then he's talking to 16 other girls, then yeah, he's selling
well,
you a
no, not
dream.
necessarily.
But
I
if
mean,
he's
I
just
know.
dating, if it's just casual dating, yes, I think he should have like eggs in different baskets. I think he should, because at the end of the day, everybody knows dating chicks these days is very like, bruv, here today, gone tomorrow, bruv. Because you may be different, you personally may be different, but a lot of girls are just practicing hypergamy. Just, they don't care. If a better guy comes along, they're gone, bruv. Or they might keep you there and mess around with the better guy until he pumps and dumps and then leaves, and then she'll come back to you. Like, that's how it
Right.
goes. Like, it's just the, and this is what I'm saying. There's no shame in our society for men or women. There's no shame. Like, it's literally the wild wild west. It's the law of the jungle now. Who
Mhm.
the fittest survives, in it.
Right. Well, I mean, if that's the case, then a lot of people are gonna be single and they're gonna die alone. I mean,
No, but
like
this
if
is the
you're,
thing. No, but it actually,
it's
nah.
true.
Because
I
no,
mean,
but
it's
listen.
realistic.
Yeah, but listen. This is the thing. This is what I'm saying. Like, you're forgetting that majority of guys are not getting no play. This is what I'm saying. Like, the majority of guys are being just looked over. Like, oh, you're not good enough for me. You're not tall enough. You're not good looking enough. You don't have enough money. You're not cool enough. You're
Right.
not street enough. You're not exciting enough. Blood, we just watched Jada Pinkett embarrass Will Smith. Will Smith.
Right. I agree. I agree. It's tough for men today. I think they're in the whole jungle. There's so many like you know, like 304s, and like the, you know, the average woman, I guess, you know, it's hard to find these women. It's also hard to find like men that actually are serious too. So it's almost like everybody's just ping ponging each other, and you know,
I tell you why. I tell you why. With the guys, yeah. Why a lot of guys, once a lot of guys get past like 25, like, or let's say 28, right? They're not. Right, the girl has to be really exceptionally special, bruv. The reason to get commitment from the guy, because number one, like, probably up to that point, he's probably had his heart broke a couple times. He's probably been flaked on, ghosted, rejected, you know, played, all of that stuff, bruv. So by the time he gets to that point of like 28, 30, he knows the game now. He probably knows himself. He's probably more established. He's probably got more money, more everything now. More of the things that attracts most of these women. He's thinking, you know what? Why am I going to commit to one of these chicks when these girls didn't like me or care about me before, bruv? Yeah, I'm going to play the field, bruv.
Right. And I agree. I mean, like I said, like, women's currency is always going to be beauty. Beauty, being fit, and being feminine. And a man's currency is always going to be money. The other parts of, like, you know, physical attributes, I think that's just a plus. But most of the time, it's money is the man's currency. So
I think with most women in first world countries, because you got to bear in mind a lot of women are making their own money as well, right? So I think that looks is the first thing first. Like, looks, like, not to, like, put it like this, yeah. I feel like if a guy is a stunning, handsome guy, yeah, like, obviously, yeah, but he's broke, he's gonna still smash and sleep with a lot of bad bees. 1000%, bro. Like, and he can be broke, bro. Like, now him, now the woman staying with him, that's another issue. Yeah, it depends on her self-esteem and how successful she is and what she's willing to put up with. But most of the time, if a guy is a certified Tyrone 1000%, he's still gonna smash loads of beautiful women, bruv. And not just black. And not just black. Do you get what I'm saying? So I think the looks comes into it, but obviously there is some women that they don't care about looks. They'll rather
I don't care about looks, but I think the women you're talking about that go for Tyrones, I think this is kind of a phase that they, you know, should have outgrown, but most of them don't. Like, they should have outgrown that, like, maybe like 19 years old, but most of them don't.
19,
but women that actually have, like, substance, we're not.
How old is Jada Pinkett?
How you look is not what we're. Sorry.
How old is Jada Pinkett?
She is 52, I believe.
And has she grown out of it?
She hasn't. That's why I said, like, a lot of women should have outgrown it years ago.
Yeah, should.
Yeah, they should. I agree.